Okay, in this video, I'm going to explain why the TikTok profile view option might not be showing up for you. So the main reason why this could be happening is because when TikTok releases new features on the app, they don't roll it out for every single account in every single country all at the same time. What they do is they roll it out in stages, and then depending on where you live, if you update your TikTok app to the latest version, you may or you may not get the feature. So if I go to my profile and I recently just updated my TikTok app, you can see that little eye icon at the top there on the right hand side. That is the profile view history. If that isn't appearing for you, you don't need to worry about it. You just need to give it some time. So give it like a week, maybe 2 weeks, and see if that appears after you update your TikTok app to the latest version. Now, there's no real hacks that you can use in order to make that appear. You just have to pretty much practice some patience and wait for it. And that's the only downside with TikTok and their features. So if this explained it for you and if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.